Is your iPhone frozen on iOS 27? Here's exactly how to fix app crashes and frozen screens fast. No fluff, let's go. Fix number one. If your iPhone is completely frozen on iOS 27 and won't respond to touch, here's the exact button combo to force a system restart. What you're going to do is you're going to quick press volume up, volume down, and then you're going to hold the power button. And you're going to keep holding it until you see the Apple logo. Now, when the Apple logo pops up, it'll say continue holding for recovery. We're not going to hold it that long. We'll let go. Fix number two. If apps are constantly crashing on iOS 27, your iPhone memory is likely maxed out. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage. You must keep at least 10 to 15 gigabytes of free space or the entire system will stutter and freeze. Fix number three. If your iPhone is freezing specifically when opening older apps on iOS 27, they are likely causing a code conflict. Open up the App Store and tap your profile picture at the top right of the screen. Tap App Updates. If you see the Update All button appear, tap it immediately and it'll update all your apps. Fix number four. If one specific app keeps crashing your iPhone on iOS 27, don't just delete it or you'll lose your data. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, and tap the Glitchy App, podcasts, for instance, or any other app. Hit Offload App. This deletes the core app but saves your personal data. Then you can just hit reinstall. Fix number five. If your iPhone's still lagging and crashing on iOS 27, a deep system reset will clear out corrupt beta files without deleting your photos or texts. Go to Settings, General, scroll all the way down to the bottom and hit Transfer or Reset iPhone. Hit Reset and choose Reset All Settings. Let me know in the comments which fix unfroze your iPhone, and I'll see you in the next one.